Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to disable the red receipts in Signal. Now let us begin. Initially what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top right you can simply see the profile picture right here. Click on it right now. Once you guys click on it, this page will open up. From here, as you guys can see, there are a multiple of options. But right now what you guys need to do is simply click on this button called as privacy. Click on it, and guys, this is it. From here you can simply hide your phone number, you can view the people that you have blocked, and finally this thing we are looking for, that is messaging. It has this option called as red receipts, and do note that currently it is enabled. Right now I want to disable it, so I'm simply gonna click on this button right here, and guys, that is it. As you can see, I have successfully disabled the red receipts in Signal. Well guys, that sums it up. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.